The key significance of knowing about granuloma and granulomatous inflammation is this, that only a handful of diseases are associated with this form of chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation could be due to 1001 reasons, but this particular pattern, this subset of chronic inflammation, which is granulomatous inflammation, which is characterized by the form of the granuloma formation on the biopsy, that is seen only in a handful of conditions. Conditions like prototype is tuberculosis, could be seen in leprosy, could be seen in syphilis, could be seen in Crohn's disease, could be seen in sarcoidosis, could be seen in cat scratch disease, could be seen in fungal infections. So the list is not very long, unlike chronic inflammation, where the list is endless. Anything and everything can lead to almost chronic inflammation. But when you get a biopsy, a granuloma formation, you know that the list of your differential diagnosis is narrowed down to a few handful of things. And that is the significance. And some of the things could be life-threatening also. That is the significance of knowing granuloma. That is, for example, if you get a non-caseating granuloma in a biopsy of the GIT, you'd be thinking of Crohn's disease. If you get a granuloma in the lung biopsy, you'd be thinking of a handful of conditions: tuberculosis, sarcoidosis, it could be a condition like berylliosis. So the list is very limited, and that is the significance of knowing about granulomatous inflammation. By the way, granulomatous inflammation is a subtype of chronic inflammation, which is characterized by granuloma formation. That means not all chronic inflammation show granuloma formation, only a handful of few. In other words, all chronic inflammation are not granulomatous inflammation, or all granulomatous inflammation are chronic inflammation, but all chronic inflammation are not granulomatous inflammation. And there are only a few diseases which are characterized by the granuloma formation. This is my 5-minute review about the significance of the granulomatous inflammation. Thank you very much.